Hi, my name is Julian Lohser. I'm a member of the technical staff in the Materials Science Department in the Aerospace Corporation. What I really like about working at Aerospace is being surrounded by all these really passionate scientists. So everyone shows up to work every day really excited to work on what they're working on. And that energy at work really helps a lot when you're passionate about something too and you want to go talk to someone and say, hey, I got this problem. And they're like, wow, that's a cool problem. Like, let's work together and solve it. My specialization is metals, and so I'm focused on how metals behave with respect to how you make them. So there's a lot of different ways to make the metals that go into our rockets and our satellites. So on a day-to-day basis, experiments that I run tend to be things like 3D printing metal, which is awesome. I can start a print and have that go on its own for a couple days. We also do a lot of mechanical testing, so we have big frames that can pull up to 100,000 pounds to test the materials that we need to use in these extreme environments for space applications to ensure that our customers are using the highest quality products available to them. Yep, so to get to where I am now, I realized from a very early age that I was interested in engineering, mathematics, and science. From there, I knew that I wanted to do some sort of engineering, and so I went to Cal Poly San Luis Obispo, where I studied materials engineering. But I always knew in the back of my head that I wanted to be part of the space industry. And so when I saw a job application open up here at the Aerospace Corporation that basically looked like a mirror image of me, I knew I had to apply, and it's been great ever since.